Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the Amazon tool deals for the week. These are going to be either items that are on sale, items that even at their full price or list price I believe to be good deals, or items I find interesting and would like your guys' input on if you guys have used them. All of the items that we go over today will be linked down in the description for you guys with their own independent link, so it's easy to find. I'll have two additional links that says tools and tools continued. Those two links will take you to a long list of tools that I've went over in the past or other tools that I suggest, so that's all there for you guys. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up, and if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. I try to release these videos every single Friday. First up on the list is the WorkPro EDC flashlight. This is a clip-on flashlight. It's very similar to the O-Light, as well as I have another clip light. It might be a Woobin, or I don't know, I have another brand. Clip lights are really handy anytime I'm climbing up in the attic or going out to walk through the yard in the dark. These are just handy because I can clip them on my shirt, and if you work in dark areas, you can clip it on the bill of your hat, clip it on your shirt, whatever it may be. They're just really handy. These have magnetic bases, at least all of them that I've looked at. On the back side of the clip there's a magnet. This is rechargeable. This is 500 lumens. It does use the USB Type-C. This is at $20 normally. It does have a coupon that brings it down to $16, which I think is priced really well. You can get it in blue or red. And while the O-Light one is also a fantastic option, they do typically run $30 or more, depending on what level you get. I guess they have, a lower and a higher tier. There you can see kind of spotlight on high, 300 lumens, spotlight low, floodlight, red light, strobe, eco, and turbo. So lots of different modes for this light as well. There you can kind of see the clip design. Charges in just 2 hours. Does state magnetic on the back. Overall, I think for $16, I think it's well worth it. If you're one that may get use out of a light like this, I really enjoy mine. This has 4.4 stars, 13 ratings. Next up is the Milwaukee 1/4-inch drive 9-inch flex head ratchet, and I will say that I'm not impressed by a lot of Milwaukee hand tools. I run their M12 lineup, absolutely love it. As far as hand tools, I'm not impressed by a lot of the hand tools, but they do still have their hidden gems, and I think their ratchets are one of them. I really enjoy this ratchet. This is one of my favorite 1/4-inch drive ratchets of all time. It took me a while to purchase this or talk myself into purchasing it because of how many ratchets I already own. But when I got my hands on it in store, I picked mine up at Northern Tool. Also because of the pricing of it, it is a little spendy for a 1/4-inch drive ratchet, especially with how many options there are out there. But this Milwaukee ratchet is so smooth and has very little back drag. I love that. But the other thing that I really enjoy about this ratchet is the locking flex head. The design that they came up with, this little switch, it's spring loaded. So if you kind of flip it over to the middle, you can click it to the next angle that you want, and it automatically returns to the lock position. Or you can push the switch all the way over and you basically have a free floating flex head. I absolutely love that. Very versatile, very smooth, comfortable ratchet. So while it's not a cheap ratchet, I have really enjoyed it, and it's one of my all-time favorites and one of my go-tos. This is on sale at basically $64, down from a list price of $67. Definitely not a cheap ratchet, but I was very surprised by the Milwaukee ratchets. I'm not sure if all of them, like the fixed heads, are the same way. If you guys have experience with some of the other Milwaukee ratchets, please let me know down in the comments, but this one is definitely a go-to for me. This has 4.8 stars, 6 ratings. Also keep in mind that check the pricing at Northern Tool and anywhere else you can pick up Milwaukee tools. You may be able to find it for a better price, but I saw this on sale and figured it was at least worth mentioning. Here we're looking at the Klein Tools 3-piece impact swivel socket adapter set. I believe this came out last year if I remember correctly. Really handy tool to have whether you're in automotive or not. This is going to be fantastic for getting into awkward situations. And it's going to come in all 3 drive sizes: 1/4-inch, 3/8, 1/2-inch drive, and you do get up to 20 degrees of swivel angle. They are impact rated, obviously, so really nice. You can just toss these in an impact driver, and I know a lot of people run in this set that have really enjoyed it. This isn't on sale. It's at $20, which I think is still priced very well. It's got 5 stars, 19 ratings. And since it was released, I think it's only went on sale a couple times, and you'll see it around $17 if I remember correctly. So if you want, you can wait and save a couple dollars, but I honestly think at $20 it's still a really good option. Next up, we're looking at the WorkPro 8-inch long nose slip joint pliers. I've mentioned these once in the past, I believe. These are just priced really well. If you're not one that wants to, I love Knipex and the Icon lineup. Both of them very, very solid options. But if you're one that's just a weekend warrior DIYer that's not looking at spending that much, but wants to try out a slip joint pair of long nose pliers, there aren't a whole lot of options out there when it comes to long nose pliers with a slip joint design. And while this is kind of an imitation of the Snap-on and Icon 3-position slip joint long nose pliers, this is 2 positions, very affordable, and I still think they did a great job on the design. You have nice cross hatching up in the front end of the pliers. Then you have a smaller open jaw, a larger open jaw with more aggressive teeth, a shear cutter, and there are your 2-position slip. And there is your 2-position slip joint with your standard dipped handles. So while no, I don't think it's going to be as high quality, I know it's not going to be as high quality as Knipex or Snap-on. I still think many weekend wearers, DIYers, are going to be perfectly fine with this set. I think it's a very versatile set, and I love a pair of pliers like this with cross hatching. Very good grip. If you guys have already picked these up, or maybe you run one of the other slip joint style long nose pliers out there on the market, let me know your guys' thoughts on them. They're one of my favorite pairs of pliers. I use my Icons at work on a weekly basis, and been very, very impressed with them. But if you're looking to save just a little bit of money but kind of get the same features, then I think this is a really solid option. Normally $14. It does have a coupon that takes it down to $12. This has 4.4 stars and 98 ratings. Here's one that I just wanted to mention. I don't have experience with this set. I do have a lot of Vessel tools, but I came across this, and I don't think it's priced bad. In the past, it's sold upwards of $150, $155. It dropped to $150, $135, $130. The lowest it's ever been was $110, and it was literally for a day. Otherwise, it's up around the $130 price. So it is down a little bit from its typical price. But this is an electric ratchet bit and socket set, which honestly isn't priced much higher than my Tecton set that I just recently picked up. Now, granted, you're only getting metric sockets in this, but I think a lot of people would be fine with that. I don't think there's going to be an SAE, version of this. I could be wrong, but I don't think so. Keep in mind, this is a cordless ratchet, but this is not your typical cordless ratchet like your Milwaukee or, all of the other ones that have came out in the last couple years. This is an electric ratchet, I guess it's cordless. When I think cordless ratchet, I think, your bigger cordless ratchet, 55 foot-pounds of breakaway. This is not that. This is literally break the fastener loose. Then if it's not a stubborn fastener, you can run it out. Very light duty use as far as the electric portion of the ratchet. I do hope one day that we can get cordless ratchets like the Milwaukee and stuff down to this size and still have I don't know if that'll be possible, but who knows? We've came a long ways in cordless tools over the last 10 or so years. Very, very impressive. So lighter duty use when it comes to the electric portion of this ratchet, just kind of so you don't have to sit there and ratchet back and forth all day. So don't buy this thinking that you're going to have great breakaway torque with the electric portion of this ratchet. You do have a 3 and 6 inch extension, a universal, an adapter, so you can either use the bits in the head of this ratchet, as you can see here, or you can use this adapter up here, which is going to allow you to run your sockets. So there are skips in this. You got 8, it skips 9, you got 10, skips 11, you got 12, 13, 14, skips 15, you got 16, 17, 18, 19. So a good selection of sockets, not the best. I'm a big fan of Vessel, and I think this definitely has its place, but people also have to understand that this is for a specific type of work. It's not typical cordless ratchet type of work. I don't know how else to put it. I'm sure you guys understand what I'm trying to say, but this is at $124. I think just the ratchet alone is around $100, or so dollars last time I checked, or a smaller version of this set. It was around $100. So I don't think this is a bad price, especially comparing this to some of the other bit and socket sets out there of this size. The case looks pretty nice. It looks like a semi-rigid, soft case, plenty of protection with a little bit of EVA foam filler for organization. And this has 4.3 stars, 147 ratings. Then last up on this week's Amazon Tool Deals is the OEM Tools O-Ring and Seal Remover Pick Set. This is going to come with 2 shorts and 2 longer spoons. This is going to be great for removing O-rings, hoses, rubber plugs, things like that, seals, bushings. I use mine on a weekly basis at work to remove rubber plugs, clips, electrical connectors, removing the little lock, things like that. These are really handy for when you're trying not to destroy something. While a pick does work for many, many, many things, there are certain things that you want to be careful with so you don't rip or damage these items, and that's where these come into play. These are really handy to help prevent damaging items like O-rings and plugs and bushings. Instead of having a sharp point, they're just kind of a flattened spoon tip, and they work really, really well. Now, keep in mind, this is very cheap. OEM Tools is definitely a weekend warrior DIYer brand. There are certain items here and there that you may be able to use in the professional field. This I use in the professional field on a weekly basis, but I also understand what it is. I'm not using it as a pry bar. It will not work as a pry bar, and I primarily use the short ones. I keep the 2 longer ones here at the house. I don't really have a need for longer ones for the work that I do. This set is at $10. The typical price is $14.50, but this is also another tool that is sold by many, many, many brands, and you can find it for all sorts of prices, some even cheaper than this. But this is the actual one that I have and have used for the last 6 or 7 years. Even though it's not the highest quality, I understand its use. The handles are decent, nothing, fancy or anything. There are tons of other brands that sell this exact same thing, just in different colors. So if you find it for another, better price, it may just be from a brand that you haven't heard of with a red and black handle instead. It's the same thing. If it's cheaper, go that route. This is just one that I've used. I've really enjoyed them. They had it on sale, so I figured I would mention it. This has 4.7 stars, 992 ratings. So that is it as far as this week's Amazon Tool Deals. Once again, all of these are linked down in the description for you guys, as well as those 2 additional links. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.